I literally have unlimited money. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's kind of small, but right there, I have 999 billion money, guys. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to hack Arena Breakout so you guys can get an aimbot, you can get like unlimited money in the game, and it comes with a lot of awesome features. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys some features of the actual mod, and then I'll show you guys how to get it on your iOS or Android device, guys. So let's go ahead and just turn on my screen recording here on my iPhone. I'm going to turn on my screen recording right now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys should be seeing my iPhone screen right now. Let's go ahead and just show you guys the actual mod itself. So this is it right here. It's called Arena Breakout mod. And as you guys could see, like, I literally have unlimited money. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's kind of small, but right there, I have 999 billion money, guys. And I didn't have to actually grind out the game or do any tasks for that. Like, it was just added to me for free because of the mod. It also has a lot of other cool features too. Like, you're able to get the mod menu, unlock all weapons, all skills, everything else in the game, guys. So it's pretty insane, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how to actually get this mod, this Arena Breakout mod, on your iOS or Android device. So let's go ahead now and actually show you guys how to get the app. So if you're on iOS, before we can actually get the game, the mod, we just have to change some settings on our iOS devices really quick. If you're on Android, you don't have to do this step, but iOS users, you have to do it. So open up your settings on your iOS device, guys. Go down to battery, and then once you're in battery, make sure you have low power mode off. And then once you guys do that, you're gonna want to get out of there and now go to general, and then in general go down to the background app refresh. Click it here in the top, and just make sure you guys have this background app refresh turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Insider data. And then once you guys do that, you're gonna go up to the about option and make sure you're running iOS 11 or above. And that's going to be all the settings that we have to change, guys. And now we are ready to go ahead and get the Arena Breakout mod on our iOS and Android device. So what you guys will do is open up your browser on your phone, and you're going to go to this website called vivahelper.com. So go on over to vivahelper.com. And then once you guys are here, what you're going to want to do is go on over to the search apps button and just type in Arena. And you'll see it that way. Now, if you don't want to search it, you could also go on over to games. And if you scroll down, actually, no, it's not in games, it's in mods. If you scroll down, you'll eventually see it. Yep, there it is right there, Arena Breakout mod. And we can click it, and it's going to say unlimited money and more. We're going to click download now. And now it's going to start to download the actual Arena Breakout mod. And then I'll show you guys... And then I'll show you guys how to finish the install, and we'll be able to use the game, guys. So, yeah, as you can see, it's just loading right now. It's loading. And then I'll show you guys how to finish the install. So it's downloading it right now. Alright, so once it's done loading, it will say this website is trying to get a profile. Do you want to allow this? So what you guys will do is click the allow button, and then it will say profile installed. If you're on Android, it will just take you to a page to finish the install. But yeah, we're going to click close, and we're going to exit out, and now we're going to go into our settings. And then we're going to go into general, and then we're going to go into... Actually, no, I think if you go up here, yeah, more for your iPhone, click profile downloaded. You'll see it there, guys, Arena Breakout mod. Click install, click next, install again, and profile installed. And there we have it, guys. The mod has been installed. All you have to do now is just open it up, and you can play it. However, there will be a last step tutorial you have to complete. It's just going to ask you to do like a quick verification, and it just wants you to install like 3 apps or something. It's pretty easy though, and you guys should be good to go. But thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy your mod, and see you guys later.